Welcome. Today we'll look at how to collect a one-off payment using direct debit. This is great if you're looking to charge your customer for a one-off product or service that sits outside of a subscription or recurring payment plan. Once the payment is set up via direct debit, you're authorized to collect all future payments, whether that's one-off or recurring, without any further authorization. Let's get started. Imagine you run a gym and want to collect a one-off payment for an extra personal training session from an existing member. Leonard. From the dashboard, select Create Payment. Go to One-Off Payment User, then Existing Customers, and find Leonard in the list. Next, enter the details of what the one-off payment is for and the amount. Choose when you want to collect the payment. In this case, let's choose as soon as possible. Click Create Payment and this confirmation page should pop up. Your customer will receive this notification via email where they can review and make the one-off payment. To check the one-off payment has gone through, click on Payments in the left-hand side menu and click on the relevant customer. In this case, click on Leonard. Here you can see the payment you just created. You can also check the payment by clicking on Customers in the left-hand menu. Again, let's click on Leonard to see the payment status. This time, let's imagine you want to collect a one-off payment for a gym membership joining fee from a new member. From the dashboard, go to Create Payment, then One-Off Payment and New Customers. Add all the details, including the amount, and select Create Payment. Once you've set your new customer up with direct debit, you'll be able to take any future subscription or one-off payments from them hassle-free. Copy and share this payment link with your customers via email, WhatsApp, or SMS. You can also download a QR code that your customer can scan to pay. To check the payment link is working, copy and paste it into your browser. This is the checkout page your customer will need to fill in. As before, you can check the status of all your one-off payments by clicking on Payments. Or go to Customers to find your customer and their payment there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.